would do nicely for a romantic picnic. With the wedding and all.
Hey, Amanda.
Hypocrite.
You can say whatever you want. That's why it's your own.
Check that out, baby. Check that out. They feel the small one from this.
Don't go there.
I suggest we forgo lunch and fast food for jump.
Sister Nicola.
Come on for them, Boko here. I mean, if you ask me, I have say she was severely compromised. It happened.
I don't speculate about such matters.
Well said, bro.
It's what we saw a while ago to have 101 explanations.
Are you blind or you are refusing to see? See what happened.
It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might.
I have got documentary evidence here that can stand in any court of law.
Pictures of two people, one man, the other female. Shouldn't draw the conclusion they're having an affair.
Charlie, we know what's up.
Very long story.
Jesus!
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.